I'm holding in my hand one of the coolest watch releases for 2025. We at JR Dunn are so excited to announce we've just gotten our first Accutron 314s. And this came out in 1960 and was the most accurate watch of its time. The tuning fork creates this signature hum. When you hold it up to your ears, you can actually hear it. You can't miss the coils and the tuning fork. But it's got this beautiful green dial. The leather is super supple. You can actually see the movement of the watch. The hands actually curve down and the second hand curves down. You're talking plus minus 60 seconds a month. And at JR Dunn, we're excited to be the only ones that are gonna have these available for purchase online now. This SpaceView 314, only 9 people in the world are making this watch. And JR Dunn's the only place you can buy it. Oh, the strap feels incredible. I can just imagine this with a belt the same color. It's a sharp looking dial. Well, funny, it's not a dial. It's a lack of a dial that makes it cool. When the Accutron SpaceView first came out, the 214, the representatives would bring it to the jewelry stores and they did it without the dial on it so they could explain to the jewelers how the movement worked. But the watch was originally designed to have a dial on it. So when the jewelers saw the watch, they said, take it off. So that's how this watch today has maintained its interesting appeal and this cool look right into the inside of working to the watch. The steel is actually in 39, but the 37 has a great feel for this classic gold piece. It's limited to only 65 pieces. This is something truly special. We've got them available for sale at jrdunn.com.